Hey everyone, and welcome to another video from an uncommonly sunny Scotland. So in today's video we're going to be talking about portable diesel heaters. Now, to tell you the truth, I've never really been a big diesel heater guy. I've never actually had one in one of my vans. I've installed a couple in other people's vans, but I've never really seen the need for one. Usually when we're away in the van, I've got me, the wife, the kids, the dogs. It's warm enough in the van for us. But last year when we were at Volksfling and Mighty Dubfest, it did come to my attention that because the kids now like to bring their friends with them and they end up sleeping in the awning can get really chilly at night. So I've been ordered by Rosie that next year when we go to our festivals and the girls have their friends that are staying over with us in the van, in the awning, that I have to find a way to make sure that they're nice, cozy and warm throughout the night, and they're not waking up or going home with the flu and colds and all these sort of things because it gets too cold during the night. So installing a diesel heater in my van would keep the van nice and warm, but I'm not sure how I'd be able to make that work to heat up the awning outside apart from leaving the door wide open. But I've need one hell of a diesel heater to warm up from inside the van and go in there. So that's when I started looking into portable diesel heaters. So a portable diesel heater is basically the same sort of diesel heater that you would get for your van, but instead of you installing it in your van and it being hardwired into your van, it comes in a ready portable box to be able to take it away, which would be ideal for the awning. So luckily for us, BougeRV reached out and asked if we would like to review their new portable diesel heater, and it was a resounding yes from Rosie. So let's get this thing unpacked and let's see what it's all about. So straight off the bat, you can tell that this is extremely well made. It's got really strong handles to lift it. It is so sealed up that I don't think you'd ever know if anything was going on inside of this. And I've got a funny feeling, and I'm hoping that it's not going to be as loud as other diesel heaters. You'll all know about that ticking from the pump. But I think with what they've put on here, this should be suppressing it quite a bit. It comes with the standard exhaust, which actually just screws on to the side of the thing here. But the good thing is, it comes with 3 options of powering it. So it comes with the 12 volt and the cigarette lighter, but I do believe that if you are going to use this one, you're going to have to make sure that it's at least 16 amps, I believe, for that, but I'll test that out and I'll let you know later. It also comes with 12 volt lead for a battery, and it also comes with an AC lead that you can plug straight into the power. They all come with these amazing connections on here, so they all fit in exactly the same spot right here. It has the standard display on it like you find in most diesel heaters, but the good thing with this one as well, it comes with a remote control, so you can turn it on, off, and you can turn the temperature up and down, and it just fills right from the top, and it fits 5 litres of diesel. So it looks pretty easy to put together. Everything's where it needs to be. It also comes with the standard flexi hose that you can, so you can guide the heating where you want it to go. But it also comes with this as well, which I'm assuming that if you were going to put it inside your camper van or a van or something like that, this would be more of a permanent fixture in the van. But we'll put it on anyway. It also comes with all the clips, hose clamps, everything you need to stick it all together. So the only thing left to do now is build it. Let's get it together. Let's see how it looks all put together. Right, so I've hooked this up outside on a little table. As you can see, I've got the exhaust hanging off the side there, aiming down. I've got the hose on the front of it, getting ready to put the air in. I've added 3 litres of diesel to the top. I don't know if you can see here, but it does have a gauge there, so you can gauge how much is in there. There, I've got 3 litres in there. It's showing that I've got 3 litres in as well, so that's all good. So now, all we need to do is turn it on. Now it does have the normal, let me put it down here so you guys can see. It has the normal panel on the front that you would find on normal diesel heaters, but it does just turn on with the remote control. So if I come close enough, let's see if it turns on. Oh, nice little beep. That's it now turned on. 14,000 watts. Fans kicked on. Let's have a look. I don't see any clicking or anything yet. At the moment it's an air blower. So that one controls the temperature, so I can turn the temperature up or down. I'm going to leave it on full since I'm running it off of the 240 volt. I've got it just hooked up to normal, to shore power. Let's give it a go. Now I'm not hearing any heat or anything coming out of it yet, but let's have a look and see. I don't know if it's maybe got to prime first. Well, it took a couple of minutes, but it self-primed itself and it started heating up. I brought Rosie out so she can tell me when it starts to get hot. So I need you to sit there.
Okay, yeah.
And just tell me when it starts getting, is it warm now? I've got it on full blast. Is that really warm? It is quite warm. That's quite warm, isn't it?
It is.
That's nice hot air coming out of it.
So that's where the heat coming.
So the heat comes out of there.
So the heat comes out from.
And it's got the.
Going inside.
That one will either go inside, well, for the van or for the awning. So when we've got the awning, we can have this sitting outside the awning, and that bit be inside the awning to keep the awning nice and warm for the kids.
That's outside.
Oh, that's an exhaust. Yeah, the exhaust will need to stay outside because that gets hot. That'll be hot now. I'm going to be stupid. Don't do this, guys. Yes, that's hot. So that's the exhaust. Is that nice and warm now? So it's got everything working directly from there. And we've got hot air coming out of there.
Feel that? Very hot.
Oh yeah. That's nice and hot now. This looks good. Have I done good then? Is this going to be alright for our awning?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Do you think the kids will be able to complain? What do you think about the sound of it though? Is it rather loud or is it alright?
It's a bit louder, but it's bearable.
It might die down. Just at the moment it's starting up, so it's starting to get hot. So the sound actually might die down once it gets to full temperature. We're going to let it get to full temperature and we'll tell you how it sounds after it drops a wee bit. Back in a second. Right, so it's been on for about 10-15 minutes at the moment. This is a 5 kilowatt one, so it was blowing out a hell of a lot of hot air. So I knocked it down to 2,500 kilowatts, and we've still got lovely, lovely hot air coming out of that. Absolutely fantastic. I really like. God, I gotta get this. The only problem, I've never had this problem before. Sun in Scotland. This remote for it is fantastic. You can increase and decrease the heat or turn it on and off as you like. So, but that's not the only option. This comes with an app, so you can control it from inside your van. So you don't have to get up or aim this at, you need to aim this at it for it to work. But you can do it through the app and it works perfectly. Let me show you that. So after you download the BougeRV app, all you need to do is click into it. There's a little plus sign there at the top. You can add your device onto it. We've already added ours, so here we are. We found the portable diesel heater. It's online. We click into it, and straight away it's showing us that it's already fired. The heat that it's coming out, so at the moment it's 2.5 kilowatts. It's got a maximum of 5 kilowatts. You can control it all from here. I'm going to put it back down to 2.5 at the moment, which is brilliant. It's telling you how much their combustion efficiency on it, which is 99%, the current voltage, and it's also got this amazing thing, which is the timing configurator. So you can turn on the timer, and you can have it on from X time to this time. So you can arrange it to be on from a certain time. So if I wanted to have this on in my awning, for instance, like this is the plan I'm planning to have for it, is for the awning for the kids. I could have it turn on at 6 o'clock, and I could have it turn off at 10 o'clock. That way it's all done. Put that on and its timer is successful. I'm going to turn it off because I'm playing with it just now, but there you go. So this is a pretty awesome piece of kit, I must say. The way that you can communicate with it, the way that you can control it, it's amazing. So I think that this is really going to work out well for what our needs are. We want it to heat up our awning when our kids are sleeping in it, when we're at festivals and things like that. I'm sitting in it here. I've got it 2.5 kilowatt, 2.5 kilowatts, and the heat coming out of this is fantastic. It's got the timer on it, so even if I fall asleep and forget to turn it off, it will turn off itself. It is silent. I mean, this what you can hear now, that is it on full blast, right? There's a slight ticking there, and I think I'm only hearing it because I know I'm you know that thing is that you know to look out for it. I can barely hear it. On the whole, this is a brilliant little kit. I mean, BougeRV don't just do portable diesel heaters as well. Their website are full of stuff. Well, thank you BougeRV for sending us this portable diesel heater for us to test out. It's really going to work out for what we need. I think my kids are going to enjoy it a lot when they got their friends over and they're sleeping out in the cold. Check the link in the description for the BougeRV Portable Diesel Heater. I'll also put a link to the BougeRV website in there, and any discount codes that I get, I'll also put them in the description as well. Well, thanks for watching this video, guys. Our next video is going to be coming from the Philippines, where we've got a big surprise coming, which is going to be life-changing for me and my wife and my family. So don't miss out on that. Make sure you're subscribed and make sure to hit that like button. See you in the next one, guys. Thanks.
Next to me, and I can feel your energy. There is nothing that can stop us tonight. Waited far too long for this moment, I don't wanna miss. I just wanna